Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to a really exciting review. I've been waiting a long time for this. We have the new Magnum 340 AFS Connect. Look at that front end, I mean look at it. Really does look smart. The main changes which I'm really excited for are the cab, and we'll get up there shortly, but let's have a little walk around the machine. Essentially underneath, the Magnum has stayed the same. The back end, the spools, the hitch, the linkage, it is all the Magnum that we all know. Another main change is that it's a stage 5, so it meets the new emissions for this year. So this Magnum is one of few demonstrators that are floating around the UK at the minute. Front linkage, so we can put a whopping great weight on it. And if you watch my Maxim video, we have the LED strips that I really like. Add blue diesel fill points, pretty standard on most machines nowadays, the good old fender switches. So the front tyres are a 650, 60 or 34, and they're Michelin's. And obviously Michelin's on the back, and they're a 710, 75, 42. Super impressive work light package. I had these on last night and you can see everything. I'm not going to spend too much time walking around the outside of the machine. I did a review of a Magnum a few weeks ago and there's not a lot changed running gear wise and engine, all that sort of thing. The main changes are inside the cab and I really want to get up in there and have a little play. Here we are then, we're in the money shot. This is the bit I've been wanting to show you guys. Let's have a cup of tea. Still only in the morning, still waking up. So, the new Magnum AFS Connect cab. This is amazing in here. I cannot express to you how awesome this feels to be sitting in this. The seat is just like an armchair. The screens, the dials, the armrest, the controls, it is just an awesome place to be. So we have the new D-pillar screen. That just looks fantastic. That is one of the snazziest things I've seen. And then the new tractor running screen. It's all self-explanatory. You just push where you want to go. Menu for settings, diagnostics. More information about tractor. Well, you can see there what that shows. Obviously your field labelling, mapping and all that sort of thing. It is like a computer, but it is a computer, but you know what I mean. There's so many things you can change and program. The spools are individually programmable. You can adjust the screen from this knob here, so you don't have to worry about taking your hand away from the important controls. Standard plough, depths, hitch, controls all there. Four-wheel drive, diff lock, all that there. Forwards, backwards. GPS button. This is the gear shift because it's a power shift. Programmable spool there and there, so you got two more spools you can program to your armrest. I've currently got the Baler pickup and then the suspension on the Baler there, and then obviously your tractor lift arms. PTO switch. We have the Baler running screen there, as it's a demo. It's not, but you can have it plugged into there. The new GPS visuals and graphics. That looks like Farming Simulator. I am super excited for that. That is pretty awesome. And then back to our main tractor running page. But it's all self-explanatory. Whatever you want to do, you push it. It's just a really nicely laid out screen. Decent radio system, aircon controls, mirrors, steering up there. We've got locks for hitches. Bacon. I'm lost for words really. I'm actually blown away by this cab. It is awesome. Right, so I've got to demonstrate this now to a customer and get the baler going. So I'm going to go make sure all the string's all good, have a little grease up, check some maintenance bits and bobs, have a little read through the book just to make sure every setting and everything is good to go, make sure the tractor's good to go. So I think I'm going to get the drone out. Let's go see this bad boy in action. I'll briefly talk about what's on the back of the Magnum. This is Case's new HD baler. So this baler is fitted with a rotor cutter, so you can have the knives in and it will chop the product going in there. It has a pretty cool feature. It has suspension that follows the contours of the land, which is pretty awesome. But also if you want to get underneath and do some maintenance, you can jack the baler right the way up. The magic bit of this baler happens with this gearbox at the front. So you have 1,000 speed coming in, the gearbox will change it to 1400 RPM. So that's how you get your punch and more torque to keep up with that chrome baler. I say keep up, this could beat it. Now that's a smart looking baler. You'll see it in action soon. I just pulled up to the field entrance. Show you guys how smooth this machine is. Going through the gears, don't even notice the gear changes. Really smooth, really nice. The cab is so quiet. There's a little range change there you probably heard. Aircon's good, I can feel cold air in my back. That is happy days. Visibility is good, the mirrors are good, I can see everything. I've got cameras. Very quiet, really nice. This is an absolute wonderful machine to drive. Really comfortable armrest. Everything's at a thumb click away. Just move your hand to the right, you're at the screen. Spool's easy to reach. See if it does. Away we go. 52.5k. Engine brake. That's doing quite a lot of stopping and I'm not on the brakes there. So we have like an automatic engine brake. That's pretty good. Now this is a really nice machine. Now to choose what field I want to go in really. What we got there. Yeah, we could start here to be honest. Like, really impressed with this, really impressed. Nice bit of red on red. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed driving this tractor and Baler. And until the next time then, bye for now.